Let's find out about castles in Britain. This is Warwick Castle. It's in the centre of England. It's very old, and it's made of stone. There are 6 towers. There's a bridge and a moat under the bridge. There's a portcullis. It's made of wood and metal, and it's dangerous. There isn't a dragon, but there are lots of knights in the castle. The towers are very tall, but I can climb to the top. Warwick Castle is cool. Look at the portcullis. Be careful. Can you climb up the tower? Look, he's a knight. He's got a horse. I'm wearing a knight's helmet, and I've got a sword too. Look out!